بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Now there is one more attribute called origin attribute. This is also well-known attribute. Now origin, well-known and mandatory attribute. So origin attribute is going to tell how the routes are introduced into BGP. Which means, let's say in my scenario, on the router 3, if you check the configurations, in my scenario, you can see I'm advertising the network here. That is one option, or I can just simply go and advertise some networks in EGP, and I can also redistribute them, right? So let me redistribute them. Redistribute EGP 100. So now if you try to see here, the router 2, let's check on the router 2. If I say show IP BGP, now here you will see the routes are originated here. Now here you will see the origin code. So you'll see the origin code. Actually, you'll see the AS path information also. Along with the AS path information, you will see the origin code as I, or you'll also see something like question mark. Now this represents the origin code, and this basically tells that whenever you see the routes learned through I, which means these routes are actually advertised in BGP. So if I go back and check the configurations on the router 3, if I say show run section BGP, so you can see if I'm advertising any networks with BGP network command anywhere, so these routes will be seen as I. So these routes will be seen as I as origin code, which means they are advertised through BGP, BGP network command. BGP network command we used to advertise those routes into the BGP. So there is another way to advertise the routes, and you see the another thing called question mark. So any routes which are advertised in any other protocol, maybe OSPF, maybe EGP, maybe static route, whatever it is, but they are redistributed into BGP, then you will see the origin code as question mark. And that's what you will see here, the redistributed routes. If you see the origin code, it shows these 30 node routes, these 30 node networks. You can see the origin code as question mark here. Because these routes on the router 3, what I did is I have advertised them in EGP, and then I redistributed them into the BGP, just like external routes. So internal routes, you will have origin code as I. External routes, redistributed routes, you will have the origin code of question mark. So these are the two origin codes, indicates how the routes are introduced or how the BGP is learning the routes. That's what it tells. Now you have one more origin code called E. Now this code you don't see in today's network. E means EGP, routes redistributed from EGP to BGP. Now EGP is actually the older version of BGP. So older version of BGP was referred as EGP. Now EGP is just a category, but in the older versions we used to call them as EGP. Now it is called BGP. So if you are learning routes from older BGP, which you don't see in today's networks, then you will see the origin code as E. So in terms, there are 3 origin codes. You will see only 2, either I or question mark, which is also called as incomplete. Again, when we see the route selection, probably path selection process, this is like the preference. Preferred order will be always I, preferred than E, and then question mark. We'll talk about this in the BGP path selection process when we get into the path selection process in BGP later on.